The top 5 marketing tactics for cleaning businesses. I get asked this question all the time. What works the best? Well, these are not the end all, but these are the 5 marketing tactics that I see work the most often out of the box for most cleaning companies. So let's get right into it. Number 1, a good referral program. Now, this is something that you're going to market to past clients, and it's also something that you're going to market to brand new clients. When you're marketing to past clients, I highly recommend that you get a newsletter, both via email and over postcard program, where you're mentioning your referral program in writing to them, reminding them regularly about your referral program. That's super, super important. But also, when we talk about a referral program, I mean marketing to businesses and other people that can refer you. So who might that be? Realtors for cleaning companies, interior designers, if you do carpet and tile cleaning, flooring retailers, if you do area rug cleaning, rug retailers, maybe other cleaning companies that don't do the type of cleaning that you do. If you do water damage restoration, marketing to carpet cleaning companies that don't do water damage restoration. Or if you do area rugs, marketing to other carpet cleaning companies that don't do as much water damage restoration, or maid services that don't do area rug cleaning. Find out who those businesses are. Get to make friends with them. How do you do that? Well, one of the best ways is to walk in and give them a goodie bag. Who doesn't like to get a goodie bag with your company sticker on the front? We used to go and give these in handfuls to real estate offices, interior designers, all types of other businesses. Inside, we would have one of our company gift cards, some company brochures about the type of cleaning that we would do, and usually a different brochure for different types of cleaning. Also, one of our latest company pieces of literature, our latest company postcard. These type of things help to set the precedence of how professional you are. Joe Blow, the average bait and switch cleaner, doesn't do all of this stuff. And of course, goodies. Oreos, Famous Amos cookies, little prepackaged something that you just spend a couple of bucks on. Who doesn't want to get a gift bag with this type of stuff in it? And really, it's the cookies, right? But all of the other things set the precedence and make them stop, pause, sit down, and give your company some consideration. So make a route and go around and visit these people regularly. It's not going to happen overnight. Well, it could, but it doesn't always happen overnight. But work on that plan over the course of time. And it really can be beneficial for your business and for building those relationships. So marketing number 2, most commonly to work tactic, would be Google Ads. I see Google Ads working really, really well for most companies. Now, the little bit of the drawback is you do have to have a website that actually sells and books jobs for you. If you don't, you have to work on that part of it for Google Ads to work, because the best Google ad in the world is only going to get you traffic to your website. Then it's up to your website to actually sell them. But you do have the ability to go very, very quickly to set up some ads and be able to show up for any keyword, for any service that you want to show up for very easily, very inexpensively. Sure, definitely spend some time on some other marketing like SEO and Google My Business ranking. Those are super, super important too, even along with that whole program. But when we're talking about advertising, something that you can do quickly, Google Ads, right? Google Guaranteed. Some clients that I have say Google Guaranteed is better. Some say Google Ads are better. I recommend that you do all of them. Why not show up everywhere along this entire line and get your company branded, get it recognized, and get some traffic to your website, get some jobs booked. Also, Facebook ads. Now, a little bit about Facebook ads. I get asked this all the time too. What's better, Google ads or Facebook ads? My thought on this is if your business is new and or your prices are average to slightly below average or a lot below average, then Facebook can be great. You tend to get people on Facebook that are a little bit more price shoppers, a little bit more apt to cancel, a little bit more temperamental in that type of an environment. So keep that in mind. But if your prices are average to below average, Facebook can be a good media for you. If your prices are higher, Facebook is tough. Also, Facebook tends to work better for main common services like carpet cleaning, maid service, that type of thing. If you're needing to do like hardwood or water damage restoration or commercial marketing, Facebook probably, and there are exceptions, but Facebook probably isn't your best bet. It tends to work better for average to lower priced, bigger services like carpet cleaning, maid service, sometimes tile cleaning, those type of services. So try it though. Why not try it? See if it's going to work for you. Marketing tactic number 4, every door direct mail or neighborhood Postcards. Now, when I say every door direct mail, I don't just mean every door direct mail, the service, just marketing with postcards to a neighborhood. Sometimes we do it lately via every door direct mail, the service. Sometimes we do it by purchasing a mailing list to our mail house and actually sending postcards based on a list, based on demographics of household value or income level, or whether they have pets or not. There's a lot of different variations that you can do with that. Now, you can market to as little as even a few hundred people, even to a 1 mile radius if you want to, depending on how you're doing it. But the great thing about neighborhood marketing, postcards, EDDM, is that you can specifically find that neighborhood that you want to target to and hit them over and over again on the small scale repeatedly, and let them know that, hey, we're the neighborhood cleaner. Let them know about your guarantees, what you do, and give them some special offers just for that neighborhood, not for the entire city. This isn't something that I recommend that you put out all over to the entire city by any means, but specific neighborhoods that you know are good neighborhoods and you know are neighborhoods that you really want to clean in more. Maybe they're closer to where your shop is at or where you live, or it's a convenient spot to get, but neighborhood marketing can be really, really good. Now, number 5, and this is really combined with a few different things, but client marketing. Now, when I talked the first thing about referral programs and referral marketing, really that kind of ties into a good client marketing program as well, because you want to advertise that referral program to past clients. And when you do that, you want to talk about all your various services. Just because you did carpet cleaning for them, they don't know that you do tile cleaning. Because you did tile cleaning, they don't know that you did area rug cleaning or maid service or pressure washing, whatever your other services are. You have to educate them about that. And a simple quick message or a phone call doesn't always do all of that, right? So do it via email, and where you're also going to be mentioning your referral program inside of that email as well. Also do it via text message. Be very careful about this. You don't want to text message the heck out of them once, twice a year tops, but let them know after you haven't heard from them for a year perhaps. This is John with your cleaning company. I'm just checking to see how everything's going. It's been over a year since I've heard from you. Just want to make sure we don't lose touch. Let me know if you need anything. You're not telling them about your special offer necessarily. You're just touching base with them, building that relationship. We are doing this lately through some software that we actually offer to coaching club members, where it's super simple. All you need to do, we'll just copy that to make sure we've got it, but all you need to do is have your client list here, select all of them, and click on send SMS, and this little window pops up. You proceed and you paste that message in. It's that simple to send that text message. Again, it's pretty intrusive if you do it regularly, but doing it sparingly can really help to build that relationship with your past clients. So not only text message, but also voicemail drops. That's another thing we can do where it's like you leaving a voicemail message personally to all of your past clients. Again, not to be abused once, maybe twice a year, but something that can help build that relationship. Now, one of the staples that I like to talk about too is still the good old-fashioned postcards, right? Why? Less and less companies are doing them these days, but to think about the message that I can say in this, between this and this, versus just a text, or even versus a phone call, or even, I hear this all the time too, well, I told them about all the services I did when I went out. Well, that doesn't mean they remember. Or I left them a brochure. Well, that brochure gets thrown away. Here you're sending them that brochure again, and you're also reminding them based on seasons. In this case, it's summer. Why hot, humid summer days activate odors in your carpet, and then it lets them know what you can do to take care of that problem. Reminds them that about your referral program. Maybe they don't need the service, but they might have a friend, neighbor, family member that does. Gives them a special offer. This type of stuff helps to do two things. One, it helps to cross-sell the different services that you do, because they don't remember that you do upholstery. They don't know that you specifically do these things for pet stain removal or whatever other service it is that you do. But also, it helps to frequently get more frequent cleanings, because maybe they don't know that you did that service. They don't know the benefits of that service. And then two, you're staying in front of them. You're letting them know that you're still there, you're still in business. So many times your clients don't know that. So a good, strong referral marketing program, postcards, emails, and text, and possibly voicemail drops. Super, super important to be able to make sure your clients don't forget you and that they know all of the different services that you do, because you'd be surprised how often they don't. We have the templates for all of these inside of the Ad Coaching Club, not just postcards, but emails. We have software to send the text messages. We have software that can send the emails for you. We have all of this set to go. We have an entire Google AdWords training program, and we have an entire referral marketing program as well, with templates for brochures, postcards, gift cards. All of this inside of the Ad Coaching Club. I will put the link to sign up for the Ad Club underneath this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Shoot me an email or give me a call. Thanks, and we hope to talk to you guys soon.